Say good morning, Tata Shaz. Say good morning, everybody. Oh my goodness, anak. Yung ating compost, nagkalanggam na. Say hi to them. Say good morning, everybody. Nagising na kami kanina 5 minutes ago. And tapos na siya magatas. Ako naman yung mag-coffee. Can I have my coffee now? Which one? Ah, this one is your toy. Okay, you can play that one. Okay. Can I put you down now? So Mama can make coffee? Yes? Can I put you down? Oh, say hi to them first. Say hello. Say good morning to them, baby. Say hi. Ay, ayaw niya. Huwag pilitin kung ayaw. Okay, I'll put you down. Mama will make my coffee, okay? There, go. Okay, kape tayo mga shots. Gusto ko pa sanang matulog ulit kasi kagabi anong oras na ako natulog, alas 3 na. Ay, sorry baby. Itong bata na to, hindi na ako pinapatulog. Kung ano-anong pinagagawa sa mukha ko. Where's my cup, baby? So, magkape na lang tayo, anak. Let's have ay. My goodness, yung ubo mo hindi pa gumaling. Let's have coffee na lang. Coffee without sugar. Ay. Oh my goodness. Ano ba yun? Nahulog yung singsing niya, Ate Nicole mo. Tayo. Parang, ano ba to siya? Hindi ba to siya maanghang? Karachi beef biryani. Gawin kaya natin to, nak. Ano ba ito? Sorry. Let me open it. Parang kung rice to, I think to, anak? Sauce. Ay, hindi. Mix and hot spicy. Spicy pala to, anak. Hindi na naman natin makain to. Recipe and seasoning mix. Pag marating sa mga maanghang, wala tayong pag-asa. Ibalik. Kay daddy na lang yan. Okay, Mama will have coffee. Okay? Mag-stick lang. Ay, hindi pa pala ako nag-init ng tubig. Okay. Ang bango. May kape sana ako dyan na na 3-in-1. Kaso lang, wag na lang. Sugar yun. What? What do you want? Mama will make my coffee. Pares na tayo may mga sipon, anak. Ako, may sipon na rin ako. Yeah, wait, Mommy will make hot water. There you go. Hot water. With the scissor, anak. Yeah. Where are they? There you go. Oh, sige. Oh, careful. Oh, nak. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come here. Oh. Okay, ang bata, oh. Ang bata, may pasiaw. Yay! Daddy will go to work. Ay, nagdasal yung batang iyan. Ay, naku. Oh, you will take a shower also, nak? Come. Take a shower. You want to take a shower? Yeah? It's so hot in the Philippines. Come. Oh, come on, let's go. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Daddy will go to work. Bye-bye, Daddy. Where's Daddy's flying kiss? Yeah, where's Daddy's flying kiss? Oh, Daddy's still here. Yeah. Oh, God, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Go to work na naman.
Love you.
Go to work. Say go to work, Daddy. I need more milk. Oh, come, let's go na. Daddy is here na. Come on. Daddy going to work. Daddy, ang dami ko pang mga tupiin. Yung akin tupiin, nakaabang pa. Come on, let's go.
It's over here, okay? The money and the bill is over here. I don't want to carry the water.
Okay. Why not?
I don't want me to carry the water.
Before you were carrying.
Yeah, because now I'm not wearing the with this on this one.
You're gonna leave the laptop?
No, I have to take my laptop with me. I got work today.
Yeah, I know. No more na? No more. No, we're not going outside, anak, later. You have to take a shower first, then go outside. Okay? Wala na naman tayong magawa ngayong araw. Puro na naman tayo tambay. Ang dami natin trabaho, hindi matapos-tapos. Babe, look at you, babe. You really lost weight, babe. Look at yourself. Proud yon. Proud yon siya. Ang laki nga ng pinayat niya mula nung nagkasakit siya. Pasalamat ka, nagbawasan yung taba mo.
What happened to your hand?
Why, mataba?
It was in the hand.
Tingnan mo, ang laki ng pinayat niya. Sana all pumayat. Ako naman tumaba. Pero okay lang yan. Maganda yung pagtaba ko kasi healthy. Tapos malapit na yan siya magtrabaho ulit sa kanyang kabilang trabaho. Tataba na naman yan siya, puro bacon. Don't eat bacon tonight, babe, ha?
Stop irritating me.
Yeah, because that's what you do before.
Yeah, before is before, now is now, different too.
I thought you don't eat
you
there
doing?
for... You don't eat fast food then. Only I found out you're eating lots of bacon. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Ayaw kumain ng baboy na luto, pero bacon kumakain. Okay na, anak? Daddy's leaving. Si bye-bye, daddy. Say, take care, daddy. Be safe. Pasok na yan siya. Say, bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye. Say, go to daddy. Bye-bye, daddy.
Bye.
Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Hey. Oh, no. We're not going out, anak. Only daddy.
Just
Yeah, I will
just
clean that
this.
later.
And don't block this. Please don't put slippers in the front of the door.
Okay,
It's
boss.
bad. And what is this now?
Now I'm gonna throw that one out. Those are the books. Do you want to take it there? Okay. Bye, babe. Bot pa kaya ako? Ha? Grabe yung takbo ko. Hindi ko alam kung bukas pa sila. Sana bukas pa. Magbabayad pala ako shots ng ng aming water bill. Sana bukas pa. Ay, sana lang. Parang wala nang tao. May open pa. Open pa. Please come, it's open. Thank you, Lord. Nakaabot pa din.
Kanya-kanya pa mo si Sok. Ikaw, kita mo ba kanya takbog yan?
1 to 24, ma. Ito po.
Pero baka mo siya ng inabit din. Sigurado. Kasi may agalo. Eh, ba't hindi pa sa game? Maganda mo. O, sabi na tayo ito. Ngayon, nasugot ito.
Thank you. Thank you po. Ang bilis ko lang kasi pasarado na si kuya. Bili tayo ng ng buko juice. Kuya, pabiling buko juice. Isa lang. Magkano yung buo? Ah, hindi.
Magkano?
Yung malaki, magkano? 25, sige. Nangilo yung ngipin ko. Ay, thanks ka, nakahabol ako. Napagod ako sa kakatakbo. Sabi ko, buti na lang ka mo. Sabi ni Kuya, ate, na paano ka? Sabi ko, huwag ka nang maingay kay nagmamadali ako. Thank you, Lord. Nakaabot ako. Inom tayong buko juice. Let's go. Ang init sa labas. Karating ko lang. Kung painaan mo, narinig pa rin yan sa ano ko. Pawis ko. Ang init sa labas. Dumaan pala ako sa sa Janice. Bumili lang ako ng konting grocery. Let's see what we got here. Icon. Chicken. Your favorite. I got something for you. Chicken skin. Chicken skin. Ay, chicken skin nga. Chicken skin. Have that. Ayan, are you done eating? Mag-ano kami mamaya, mag-wraps. Kami ni Jowa. Ay, ang dami ko pa naman kanin sinaing. Hindi ko naman naisip na mag-wraps ako. Tapos, meron tayong Vitamilk. Tatlong Vitamilk. The other one. Vitamilk. Parang ang taas natin. Ito. Tapos, I got something for you, Yana. Let's try if you like cupcake. I know, hot cake pala. Hot cake. Inumin mo. And I got mayonnaise. What I got for you is yogurt. You got yogurt. Are you happy? I got 3 for you. Yes, you got 3 yogurt. And no, it's 4. Wow, you got a lot of yogurt, Ayana. And I bought this one. Nam na. Yeah, can you finish your food first? Then this one for Daddy, for his wraps later. Spicy naman kasi yung wala na akong nakitang hindi spicy. I got something for you. This one, no, Ayana, you gonna fall. Don't do that. Yeah, I know. Skippy, no sugar daw. I think yun yung mahal. Kasi 1,000 yung ginastos ko dito eh. Arla for Daddy. And cheese for Daddy. Oh, Nicole. Tutuwad yan ko. Tutuwad sa Yana. Oh, yun lang. 1,000 yung nagastos ko. Ano ba yung mahal? Let's see. Arla. Parang wala namang mahal. 1,000 na yun. 138 yung Arla. Kiwi Spicy 153. Wraps 150. Magkano ba ito? Akala ko ito mahal. Skippy. Where's Skippy? Oh, 150 si Skippy pala. 150 lang pala to. Akala ko mahal to. So yun lang, 1,000 na yun. Imagine mo, 1,000 na to. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Yun lang yung binili ko. O, yan lang. Yan lang. 3 ganito. Tapos yan, cupcake. Hot cake pala. Tapos ito. 1,000 na yun. 1,000 na yun. Oh my goodness. Ang mahal nga talaga na bilihin, no? Yung 1,000 mo dati, dami mo nang mabili-bili ng kahit pa konti-konti ito. Yan lang, 1,000 na. Nakakalurky. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang yung ating vlog mga chefs. It's just a quick video for today's vlog. Dahil wala naman tayo masyadong ganap. Basa yung likod ko. Pawisan ako. So, hanggang dito na lang mga chefs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.